Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Ever since Ozonna has come into limelight, a lot of Nigerians have been criticizing and also commenting on his career path, what he chose, and his father, who happens to be the governor of Anambra State, that's Professor Charles Soludo. In a moment, you're going to find out what Nigerians are saying and his career path. I do not know why Nigerians are collaborating or correlating or comparing both. Before we do all this and much more, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. At the end of the news, you will choose where to stand. Well, it's all about Governor Charles Soludo's son, Ozonna, who is a music artist. Ozonna Soludo, son of Anambra State Governor Charles Soludo, has been making waves for a while in the movie industry. He was born in Nigeria on February 11, 1994, but grew up in the United States of America. The New York-based artist graduated from the Institute of Contemporary Music in London. Well, the Institute of Contemporary Music is actually in London. He's also known for his ability to skillfully combine. He's known for his ability to skillfully combine pop, dance, and African rhymes with other music types. He has also continued to dazzle his fans in Nigeria and the diaspora with his unique song. The content creator started gaining attention in 2013 after he dropped his free promo single titled Me and You on Top. The project fetched him fame in the United Kingdom. He also performed in London at several shows organized by popular artists and music bands, including Crystal Fighters. We have also bands and Alice Gold. In 2015, the musician came through with a Believe It to See It, but his debut five-track extended play. The project includes Believe It to See It, Wonderland, Big Low, and so on. Nigerians have taken to the social media to react. Others are having a hearty laugh. The question is why? Music is beautiful. Music is a language, of understanding. And don't forget that, yes, people have been calling him out that he's another. What kind of person is this? Look at his music style. Don't follow Fela Anikulapo Kuti, the legendary Anikulapo Kuti. He's not just a musician, but he's a musician par excellence. They called him a legend for a reason because he sang things that affected Nigerians, like the likes of Basket Mado, Pumate Geno, and like Sofrina Smiling. All those are tribute to Kola Nicola Kokuti. You can't take that away. They have this African scent in him, but Nigerians have been talking. Question is why? Probably because his father is a professor in academia. Well, Azona has, has become an internet sensation and has gotten people talking. Some people have been talking, some social media people have been talking, like one Christian Christine opined that Charles Soludo cannot manage the state well because of the way his son turned out. Whatever that means, I don't know. I don't know since when music become bad. This guy, you guys need to listen to his music. It's dope. It's not bad. It's nice. Come on, don't begin simply because you don't like his father's ruling style and you begin to cut him some slack. This guy's music is really nice. Another person here is saying yes, especially when one Frank here said yes, especially when he could not manage his own son. I wonder what also that means. Well, some person say, well, this is an evidence that Soludo will not be able to manage Anambra State very well. Another person here is saying, Charlie boy kind of vibe. He must not follow his father's path, provided the path he's growing on has a value to offer to the society, though different. God bless you, my brother. Music is also a language it's an art of its own. This one here is saying, why are we castigating this young man? It's not, it's not his fault. So stop. Yoruba people know welcome fella. So Fela decided to come back and choose to come back in Igbo land. Wow. They're attributing his style that this is a Fela comeback or a Fela reborn, but this time around coming in southeast. Well, that depends on when you're looking at it from that angle. It's nice. Well, let's also feel the pulse of many Nigerians. Honestly, the guy is gaining a lot of sensational waves. This one I say, leave that matter. The young man is an adult who has his life to live. He has his career to pursue in his own way and style. You just said he's a musician. That's his career choice and he's entitled to it. God bless you, my brother. Honestly, God bless you. Music is a beautiful thing and he has the right to choose. He's an adult, for crying out loud. And God so kind, his father is learned and exposed to him, must have allowed him to make an independent choice of his career path. This person here saying this one I'll put her with great jurist too. He was the another person said this one is Oputa style. But somebody's answering said, look, Oputa was actually a great jurist, as in a lawyer, a judge. He was the father of Charles Oputa, that's the Charlie boy. Another person correct, but nah man, this one be he get that CBO. And they tell you Soludo should package this boy well, otherwise what will happen? That is his style of music. Contemporary music is his style. What he wants to be identified with. That's what he wants to be known for. Guys, you guys should give this guy a chance. You're already judging him before he launches out. This I say, boy, I don't understand this guy. Another person is laughing. This guy is. Is he addicted to something? No, he is not. That's just his style. That's just his style. Except this are new Indomie generation. If you know Fela Nikola Kokuti when he was alive, this guy's dressing resembles, looks like it. It doesn't. It's always shirtless most times. And if you meet a Nikola Kokuti in his days in Kalakuta those days in his house, sometimes if he does not even wear trousers, he goes on pants. For crying out loud, Fela was a legend. If you don't know him personally, you will not understand. This one here say, "O Diego, Odiga onye ozuru. Odige onye ozuru. Perfection must be utopian. Nobody has got it all around." So I say, supple. I don't know. Please, what's the meaning of Odigi onye ozuru? I'll pronounce it again. Odigi onye ozuru. Okay, take that again. Odigi onye ozuru. Perfection must be utopian. Nobody has got all it takes. Okay, somebody has interpreted it. He said it is not. There's nobody that have it all. Perfection must be utopian. Nobody has got it all around the world. Are they trying to say that this boy is not? Come on. Another person, super. As in, speak, my brother, speak. This one here is saying, fault finders. What is wrong with the picture? Honestly, there's nothing wrong with this picture. There's nothing wrong with his brand. It's just him. See, go listen to his music before you judge him. Why not listen to him first? It is just his style. It doesn't have to look like a Davido or a Wizkid. It is him. It is him, Soludo's son, and he's proud to have his own identity. Guys, don't judge him because his father is a professor. You're not doing him justice. Another person here is saying, how much management will you give to a child living in America? An adult male. Leave that ill thought out generalization. It has nothing to do with the man. All right. Another person, you are a true son of your family. Arrest my case then. Is USA they claim rights. Another person here say, can you listen to all my Igbo guys? How I wish this photo is one of okay, I'll take that again. How I wish this photo is one of the Tinubu or Osibajo's son. Tribal sentiment in this country will never finish. This well. Let's meet in the comment section. This is what's to take.